Hey man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
Alright, my people. Dancehall skilla there again once more. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, now my people. I wonder if each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, know about a person who goes by the name of Davian Bryan, who is the main suspect in two separate incidents when two underage girls from within the parish of St. Thomas, that's within the country of Jamaica, was abducted sometime last year, the year 2021. And to my knowledge, Davian Bryan was never brought into police custody for those incidents. Even though a lot of residents within St. Thomas, Jamaica, searched for Davian Bryan, he was not captured, nor he was brought into police custody. See? And just to make it very clear, those two girls who was abducted, they somehow returned home safe. Yeah, those two girls had been abducted at two separate times, and residents within St. Thomas, Jamaica searched for those two girls, and they had been found alive at two separate times. You see me? I'm not even getting into certain details as to how they had been found. You see me, as if you're subscribers, but me just give a reminder for those who know and for those who don't know, just to give you a little understanding as to who is Davian Bryan. You see me, I say? Now, more you listen to me carefully now, viewers and subscribers. Listen this now. Now, I read a news article that had been published on the 16th of March, the year 2022, that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a mother and her two daughters are terrified because word came last Tuesday that Davian Bryan was back in their community. And according to the content of the news article that I'm looking at right about now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that the community is located within the parish that is known as Portland. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. See? Now listen to me carefully now, viewers and subscribers, because I read another news article that had been published more than 5 days ago that gave me the understanding that that news article said that residents within the same community in Portland, Jamaica, showed a hut that they believe is being used by Davian Bryan. The news article also said that a pot with a freshly cooked meal of white rice and tin mackerel was spotted on the ground. And the news article also said that a cut sponge and two flashlights were seen where the hut is or was at. You understand? The reason why I say is or was is because I don't know if the hut destroy if it's still there the same way, you see me? But I give you the understanding according to the news article that I read, you see me? The news article also said that closer observation revealed a water jump. The news article that had been published more than 5 days ago is about a situation where it is said that a woman was abducted and that she had been rescued by residents within that area in Portland, Jamaica, and that she had been taken to a hospital. The news article also said that residents within that same area in Portland, Jamaica, believe that Davian Bryan is hiding in the area and is possibly being assisted with food by relatives. See? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm going to leave that news article now, and I'm going to read words from the news article that have been published on the 16th of March, the year 2022. Now, remember I mentioned that I read a news article that have been published on the 16th of March, the year 2022, that gave me the understanding that a mother and her two daughters are terrified because word came last Tuesday that Davian Bryan was back in their community. Now, I'm going to read words from the news article, and these words are said to be some things that the mother said. Now, listen up. Now, the news article said that the mother said, "From that, me a fret. People see me and can tell me say, him inna the area, so me no fi send me pitney them a road alone because him say me pitney them get big." Another part of the news article said that the mother said, is somebody I know, but it's 6 years, me and him no deal. Now when it comes on to Jamaica way of saying certain things, that part of the news article mean that she said that at 6 years she and him no exchange words, nor talk, nor have any reasoning. You understand me, people? See? Davian Bryan. He was one of the most talked about person within the year 2021. Him and the person who goes by the name of Kevin Smith. You see, a few persons who I know somewhat compares who been talked about the most on social media last year when it comes on to Kevin Smith and Davian Bryan. You see me? But in my point of view still no, Kevin Smith was talked about a whole lot. A whole lot, you know. Probably even more than Davian Bryan. But here's the thing with me now. Is when it comes on to children and children's safety, I always have to put that first. You see me? Because I see an adult supposed to be responsible for him or herself as an adult, you know. So if a cult thing are going in our church, or if a pastor do something in our church and it is dangerous and it can cost your life, you as an adult should be responsible and know what you want for yourself. See? Now, if you don't know, that's a different thing. But if you know, and know say that are going and you go in the line of fire, if you go in a danger, that's up to you. But when it comes down to children now, see? Children need guidance. See? So, in my point of view, both situations are serious, but we that take the whole Davian Bryan situation more serious than the Kevin Smith situation, because we are talking about children who had been abducted. You see me I say? Even though I know say when it comes down to Kevin Smith situation, you know, at least one person died, you see me? But I never get too deep in them things there. But my people, I just make you know about this news article that I read, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So let me know what you think about that whole situation. See? Now I got information that 3 persons had been shot and killed, and 4 persons had been injured within the parish that is known as Hanover, that's within the country that is known as Jamaica, on the 16th of March, the year 2022. According to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened sometime after 7 p.m. on the 16th of March, the year 2022. At least one news article that I read gave me the understanding that 4 gunmen entered a business establishment that some persons might call a mini-mart. Some persons might also call the same business establishment a supermarket and or even a shop as well. You see me? And the news article said that after those 4 gunmen entered the business establishment, they pulled guns and opened fire, hitting those 7 persons who had been shot. The news article also said that 2 of the gunmen reportedly chased some of the victims to the rear of the business establishment and shot them as well as others. It is said that victims were taken to the hospital, and it is said that 3 of 7 persons who was taken to the hospital was pronounced dead. Viewers, subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Just I keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. So big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself.